What's up, traders? It's Matt with Conservative Trades, and I am ending the day up $629.49. Now, for those of you who were here on the channel for the live stream today, when we left off, I think I was up around, 5:30, 5:40, something like that. And I did say that I might come back in the markets later, maybe during power hour or whatever, and that if I saw a trade, I would take it. And I gave you guys my word that if I dipped below the $500 mark, I would get out. But as you can see, I actually had some really good trades here on JNUG, and I had actually taken a couple more scalps on Boeing, and I'm ending the day up $629.49. JNUG has been making a good move here, and as a matter of fact, I was actually up probably about 120, 130 on JNUG, and I lost one of the trades I took there, and so I'm stopping it now. I'm ending it now. I'm just glad to be back up on the week. I shouldn't say up on the week. I'm glad to be back in the green today. And this is a pretty good win. This is a sizable win. This is something that I think is really going to help with even my own confidence going into or coming back into the markets tomorrow. Many of you who have been watching pretty consistently, you'll know that these last few days of the week it's been rough for me. It's been rough for me. And the fact of the matter is yesterday I actually ended the day, I actually was up around $350, and I ended up giving it all back. And I should have just walked away with it. And if I did, then I would have almost completely recovered myself out of the red for this week. But you live and you learn, guys. You live and you learn. And for those of you who are new to the channel, and this is the funny thing about it, I actually just posted a brand new episode of The Trader's Mind. And by the way, The Trader's Mind is a episode series that I've started here on the channel. I usually release an episode once a week, typically over the weekends, and it's all about trader psychology. Because I genuinely believe, and many of you have heard me say this multiple times, but I genuinely believe that day trading is 20% knowledge and 80% psychology. 20% knowledge being, research, education, technical analysis, how to read charts and patterns and price action and fundamental analysis and even cyclical analysis and all that stuff. Don't get me wrong, by me saying that it's only 20% of it is not minimizing that. There's a ton wrapped into that 20%. There's a lot there. There's a lot of research and education that it takes to build up that knowledge. But when you actually start trading, everything else after that, the other 80%, I'm just convinced, is psychology. And psychology being mental discipline and emotional control. And that's something that I've been a little lacking in this week, which is why I said it's funny, because I just released a new episode over the weekend called The Greater Green. And, basically keeping our eyes on the greater green. If you're having a red day, if you're having a losing day, just kind of zoom out and say to yourself, look at your week and say, hey, today's a bad day. Or this is a bad trade. But you know what? I could still end the week in the green. I need to walk away right now, stop while I'm ahead, and just come back and look to get in the green on the week. And you know what? Even if I have a red week, I can still have a green month. And as a matter of fact, that's kind of how it's been going for me. So, this month is pretty good. I'm still in the green, but this week has just been bad. And there's multiple times this week where if I just thought about the greater green, I probably could have stopped. And I probably would be in much better shape right now. So anyway, I did leave a link at the end of the video that I posted yesterday, but I'll also include another link. You'll see it here as this video ends out. A link to that video, The Trader's Mind, talking about keeping your account in the green, staying in the green, focusing on the greater green. Anyway, hope you guys are learning a lot from the channel, from the live stream, from the video recaps, and even from the episodes of The Trader's Mind. We're all in this together. I love the community that we're building here. A lot of great guys in the chat, every single day. So if you guys are new to the channel and you want to join us in the live stream, it's right here on YouTube, Monday through Friday. We roughly start around 9 a.m. We'd love to see you. And hopefully you can continue to benefit more from some of the stuff you're seeing here on the channel. But we also like it when people come in and comment and bring value to the channel. And we've got several great guys that are doing that right now. So come join the crowd and just don't troll us, because we will ban trolls. We do not put up with trolls. Thank God we haven't had any up to this point. But anyway, guys, hope you all have a good rest of the evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.